Freetown is one of the cities in Africa with the highest number of stray dogs. This has led the Sierra Leone Animal Welfare Society, together with the World Animal Protection Organization, to tackle the issue of stray dogs and rabies by 2030. At a news conference in Freetown, Country Director World Animal Protection Africa, Tennyson Williams, told journalists that Sierra Leone has over 200,000 dogs, a greater percentage of them roaming the streets. He said the National Livestock and Animal Welfare Rabies Control Task Force, in collaboration with the World Animal Protection Organization, engaging the Ministries of Health, Agriculture, Education and the judiciary to come up with an action plan to implement the National Rabies Elimination Strategy launched in 2017.
We lobby and advocate by working with governments to influence policy change that will ensure animals have a life worth living. We educate and mobilize. Through that, we sensitize the general public on the importance of animal welfare and why it matters to animals and humans. Last but not least, we catalyze sustainable solutions by upscaling local solutions that improves the welfare of animals. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, from our Africa offices in Kenya, Nairobi, we work with other stakeholders to educate people through the media, and that's why we are having this press conference, public forums and trainings to create a firm understanding on the need to protect animals across the continent.
His organization, Mr. Williams said, has been working with the task force since 2014 to come up with a national rabies elimination strategy, noting that globally they found the most effective ways to protect animals in communities by working with governments to manage dog populations humanly and to vaccinate them against rabies. Director of the Sierra Leone Animal Welfare Society, Dr. Abul Godosh Jallo, stressed the need to protect animals.
Meaning that we have to look after animals. For people who, sometimes you see somebody carrying chickens by their legs with the head down. Is that animal welfare? No. And the most interesting, it seems that everybody knows what animal welfare is. As long as we are human beings, we look after humans, human welfare, so as is the animal welfare. And normally, when you have an animal, a goat, a sheep, a dog, if you look after the hen well, the goat well, then you will get good body condition, you will get more meat, you will get more money for that animal.
According to the Sierra Leone Animal Welfare Society, over 100 people died annually for dog bites, and in 2018, 7 deaths have been reported out of 600 cases of dog bites. Eliminating rabies by 2030 for Sierra Leone in particular was viewed by other speakers as a challenge, as the country can only boast of 5 veterinary doctors against the estimated 250,000 dogs in the country.